Hey everyone, let's make some Ricciarelli. 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 Yeah, Ricciarelli. Delicious! Super easy. You could do with any kind of nuts you like. Pecan nut, hazelnut, almond, pure almond, pistachio, both, and less. So today I'm gonna do with hazelnut and almond. So we're gonna need, right, so this recipe is gonna make quite a lot of little macaron. So we have here 750 grams of ground almond. Here is 500 icing sugar, which we keep on the side, that will be for after. Here we have a kilo of icing sugar, 500 grams of hazelnut, which we're gonna grind, 150 grams egg white. That's all. We need in the ground almond 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm gonna put 2 lemon zest and 1 vanilla pod or vanilla essence. There. I will keep this vanilla pod for later. Lemon zest. Okay, so we've got everything now. We're gonna grind the hazelnut in a rubber cup. We can put a little bit of icing sugar with it to help. Yeah, maybe a little bit thinner. There you go. Right, so we've got hazelnut, we're gonna add our ground almond, baking powder, lemon zest, and vanilla. The icing sugar. Oh, that's gonna make a lot. Okay, let's combine all of that together. The bowl is quite small though. I need a bigger bowl, I think. It's okay, we'll do gently. Right, I swapped it for a spoon. It's easier to reach the bottom. I might add a bit of lemon juice in there. Ooh. I'm holding the pips. Yeah, maybe one more. So whole lemon juice. Alright, now it's time to do our egg white. So we got 150 here. Tiny bit of lemon juice. As you know, this will help to combine the eggs and stabilize them. till nice and stiff. There you go. So they hold nice. So now we're gonna fold our mixture into the egg whites. So it looks really little egg white for the amount of ground almond. But because it's like almond and icing sugar, it drinks lots of the humidity. I'm starting in this bowl and then I will finish it in a bigger one. It might fit in this bowl, to be fair. So let's transfer everything back in. I will use my hand this time. To finish to combine it. Smell good. Vanilla, hazelnut, almond, and a bit of lemon. It's good. That's gonna form a paste. Et voila! So I took it out of the bowl at some point and finished it on my worktop. And now we have a Play-Doh, or kind of marzipan really. So we're gonna boil them. Individual bowl. If you want to be regular, you can weigh them up. $30-gram bowl. That could be good, 30-gram bowl. So you can boil them like that. Then also you can put some chocolate inside, do a hole, put a bit of chocolate, close it back in, turn around, and you'll have a chocolate center. But I'm just gonna do them plain. And this remain icing sugar, the 500, is gonna go in the gastro. So each bowl so each bowl is gonna be rolled into the icing sugar like that, and then place on a tray. Let it dry for 30 minutes before baking. I've managed to make 75 little balls. So now they're all rolled in icing sugar. We're gonna place them on the baking tray. Give them a gently press so they stay still. Give them space to rise in between. So that icing sugar is gonna create that crispy shell all around. It's gonna be lovely. That's it. We're gonna let them dry 30 minutes and then bake it. 150 for about 30-35 minutes as well. So that's good. We haven't used all the 500 grams of icing sugar, so that can go back in the box. So now they have dry, they're quite crusty. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna press gently all of them. So they're like more oval, and they start cracking. By pressing them, they start cracking, and that will look lovely after the baking. For 30-35 minutes. That's it, that's it. Ooh, look at those beauty. Oh, very nice. Let them cool down and we're gonna test one. So that's it. Shame it hasn't cracked at the top. So you have a nice crusty. Inside is soft and squishy. So it's chewy, crunchy. With hazelnut it's not bad, but with pistachio it's even better. Enjoy!